Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Delayed shifts, slipping gears, or even getting stuck in limp mode. You pull out your OBD-II scanner, and there it is, code P0968. This code is related to the pressure control solenoid D circuit high voltage. If ignored, it can lead to serious transmission damage and expensive repairs. But don't worry, today we'll explain what P0968 means, where the sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0968? DTC P0968 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid D Control Circuit High Voltage. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, sends power to the pressure control solenoids to regulate fluid pressure inside the transmission. If the circuit for solenoid D has higher than normal voltage, the transmission won't function properly, leading to harsh shifting or limp mode. Common symptoms of P0968. If your car has this code, you might notice harsh or erratic gear shifts, transmission slipping, RPMs increase but speed doesn't, car stuck in limp mode, check engine light (CEL) or transmission warning light, poor fuel economy sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0968, you need to check these key components. Pressure control solenoid D location, found inside the transmission valve body near other solenoids. Function, regulates fluid pressure for smooth gear shifts. Transmission Control Module, TCM, location, typically located under the dashboard, near the battery, or on the transmission case. Function, controls solenoid operation and voltage regulation. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case, close to the fluid lines. Function, monitors fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0968? Common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid D, internal failure leads to high voltage. 2. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Shorts or loose connections can cause voltage spikes. 3. Transmission control module, TCM, malfunction, incorrect signals affect solenoid function. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid, affects solenoid performance and pressure control. 5. Faulty alternator or battery, voltage fluctuations can interfere with the solenoid circuit. How to fix P0968? Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Condition: if fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, drain and refill it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wiring between the TCM and the solenoid. Repair or replace faulty connectors. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid, D. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If the solenoid is faulty, replace it. Step 4. Check the alternator and battery. A failing alternator or weak battery can cause high voltage spikes. Use a voltmeter to check battery voltage, should be between 12.4V–14.5V. Step 5. Reset the TCM and clear the code. After repairs, erase the P0968 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive at least 10–15 miles to verify the fix. Final words. If your car has P0968, it means pressure control solenoid D is receiving too much voltage, causing harsh shifting and possible transmission damage. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0803. Transmission fluid pressure control, solenoid A. P0804, transmission fluid pressure control, solenoid B. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.